Good afternoon, you guys. It has been a while. I haven't, y'all know I don't really be posting like that anymore just because I'll be busy with school, but I have not checked in with you in about a month. I think my last alopecia update was, I think it was November 4th. But I'm here today. Today is December 6th, and I'm so excited. I woke up feeling great, and I'm having a good day so far. And I'm just happy because, I done got through another semester. Finals is next week, but I'm spending today preparing for those. But anyway, I wanted to check in with y'all. That's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm not talking about school. I'm here to give you guys an update on my hair. My hair is doing really, really well. I think the last video that I posted, my hair pretty much, of course, is growing lengthwise, and areas have been filling in. But you guys know the back of my head has been kind of stagnant as far as growth is concerned for the past couple of months. So the good news is, when I went to the doctor, the clip I showed you guys was actually from my last doctor's appointment on November 13th. When I went to the doctor, that appointment was very successful because the doctor was super happy to see how much my hair had grown. And she also did not have to test me for lupus and that other long name disease that she mentioned. I don't know what it was called. But she actually forgot, and I asked her, and she was like, "Oh no, you clearly have alopecia. We don't need to test you for lupus, and your hair is growing really, really well." And in the back, for the areas that had not grown in yet, she looked and she was starting to see little hairs come in. I can't see the back of my head unless I take a picture of it. But she looked and she said that the hair is coming in, and I'm finally starting to get some blacks like in the middle. So I'm really happy about that. But I just want to show you guys the update so far. My forehead is very large. Anyway, so this is what's going on with my hair so far. Now, do not get seasick for all these waves. So this is my hair so far, okay? So I washed it. I put my main choice leave-in conditioner, some coconut oil, and yeah, this is what my hair looks like. You guys remember that big old spot that was the size of my palm? Yeah, well, that's pretty much filled in. So yeah, all of that's filled in. I have a lot of gray white hairs, but it's all good, getting old. But my hair's doing really well. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can kind of see what she was talking about as far as the back. But this is what the back looks like so far. Let me pull it up some so you guys can kind of see the progress over there. And right here is where those black hairs are. I can feel them. Cool, right? I know. So I'm trying to show you guys an idea of the length. My sister calls me Frankie Lyman. I do look a little Frankie Lyman-ish right now. But let me just mess up my waves for a second so I could kind of show you guys the length. It kind of just bounces now, which is really, really cool. I like that. But yeah, so I just have like a little curly fro, which is cool. But it's growing really long. It's a lot longer than it was last month in my last alopecia update that I did for you guys. It has grown tremendously since then. And yeah, so like I told y'all, my only job now is just making sure my baby hairs is laid, because these edges is flourishing like nobody's business. So let me brush this up some. So remember, couple of videos ago, I was trying to do a ponytail just because I felt like, you know what, if I want a ponytail, I'm gonna make this a little struggle ponytail. Well, now I'm really, really like, I could low key have me a ponytail. See, you can see the little, see, y'all don't want it. Y'all don't even know. Okay, so that's all I wanted. I just wanted to check in with y'all real quick. I do have errands and stuff I gotta run today. It's a really gloomy day outside, so make sure y'all got your umbrellas and stuff. This is really staying weather, so today is going to be more of a study day for me. Like I said, I have finals to study for. But I just wanted to come check in real quick and give you guys a quick update. Like I said, I haven't really been posting on social media much, but my semester is almost over, and I'm going to get back to posting all the cute selfies and, getting started on my holiday collection for the Curve Slayers closet. Yes, yes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm about to throw my scarf back on. I'm about to go run my errands, Don't I look? Hold on, before I go away, where's my brush? Look at this. You would think that I was doing a ponytail. Look, if you didn't see the back of my hair, you wouldn't even know I was bald headed back there, right? Look. Almost. We're almost there. So anyway, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this alopecia update. As I mentioned in other videos, if you want to know what I'm using, the medication that I'm taking, all of that information is in my previous videos. I'm still doing the exact same things, and they're working, obviously. So I wish you guys the best weekend, the best week ahead, a beautiful December, a happy holidays, and I'll check in with y'all. It'll be sooner than a month. All right. Love y'all. Bye.